In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from PayPal to Wise. If you want to move funds from your PayPal account into Wise, the process is actually very straightforward once your bank details are ready. The most important thing is to make sure you enter everything carefully so the transfer goes to the correct account without delays. To begin, first get your Wise bank account details. You'll need the receiving bank information provided inside your Wise account, so take a moment to open Wise and locate the account details for the currency you want to receive. Make sure you're using the correct details for that specific balance, because Wise can provide different banking information depending on the currency and region. Once you have those details ready, go to your PayPal dashboard. From there, click on Wallet. This is where PayPal lets you manage your payment methods, linked banks, and available balances. If you've never connected Wise before, this is the section where you'll add it. Next, click Link a Bank. PayPal will then ask you to enter your bank account information. At this stage, type in the Wise bank account details exactly as they appear in your Wise account. It's a good idea to double-check every field before moving on, since even a small mistake could cause problems with the transfer or lead to extra verification steps. After entering the details, click Authorize and Add. This links your Wise bank account to PayPal so it can be used as a withdrawal destination. Depending on your region or account settings, PayPal may review the information or ask for confirmation. So if you don't see the bank ready immediately, give it a little time and check for any notifications. Now that the account has been added, go back to your PayPal balance and select Transfer Money. This is the option you'll use anytime you want to move funds out of PayPal and into a linked bank account. Then choose Transfer to your bank and select the Wise bank account you just added. Review the amount you want to transfer, confirm the destination account, and continue. Before you finalize it, take one last look at any transfer timing or fees that PayPal may show, just so you know what to expect. And there you go. That's how to send money from PayPal to Wise. Once the transfer is submitted, just wait for it to arrive in your Wise account. If this is your first time doing it, moving slowly and checking each detail carefully can help everything go smoothly.